Hello, this is Jacob with Environmental Works. I'm at 2332 and 2334 Southeast 72nd Avenue in Portland to perform a video sewer line inspection to determine the serviceability of the sewer line going from the house to the city main. I've accessed the line today through a 4-inch ABS cleanout located in the basement of the home. I'm currently in a horizontal lateral position now with some water flowing, so at this point I'll set my foot marker to read 0 and begin my inspection. Appears we're in 6-inch concrete now. We'll be sure to get a proper distance on where that transition is. At approximately 47 feet we can see some roots. There appears to be offsetting some of these joints causing pooling. More roots. Here at approximately 78 feet, we have some sort of obstruction or a large offset that we're not able to progress past for now. We're going to go ahead and pause, turn off the water, and try to get over this offset or obstruction. Alright, located this spot approximately 6 feet deep, or 7 feet deep, parallel with the sidewalk. I did just manage to make it over our offset. So we're going to keep going. Here at approximately 82 feet, we have what appears to be a Y. At approximately 96 feet, we have the connection to the city main. this point we've shut all the water off, so we're going to begin I'm going to get a locate on this main, then we'll begin our inspection on the rest of the line on the way back. So far I've been unable to get an exact locate on this main due to the amount of interference in the streets. We're going to go ahead and pull back to the curb line and see if we can get a locate there. We'll go ahead and try to get a locate right here. Fortunately, once again, experiencing too much interference to get an accurate locate. It appears that power and communication are running parallel with the street and sidewalk. It's most likely where all the interference is coming from. Go ahead and attempt to get a locate at this Y. Located this Y just behind the curb line on the property side, approximately 10 feet deep, marked out with some white paint. There's that, what appears to be a mortar obstruction right there. We'll go ahead and get a locate here. Located this obstruction approximately 6 foot 2 inches deep, marked out with some white paint in the small mulch strip before the sidewalk. Line appears to be running parallel with the sidewalk. Area of roots at approximately 74 feet. There we've got some roots mixed with quite a bit of waste, possibly soil intrusion. This joint appears to be relatively clean. And what appears to be another chunk of mortar here. We'll go ahead and get a locate at this point. Make sure we know where the line is going. Located this spot approximately 5 foot 8 inches deep in the mulch strip, about a foot away from the water meter, with a couple electrical and communication locates over top of it. The line does appear to still be running parallel with the sidewalk. Here it appears we have another mortar obstruction. Go ahead and pull past it just a bit. Got some roots at this joint as well. We'll go ahead and grab I'm going to locate right here. Located this turn in the mortar obstruction approximately 3 foot 6 inches deep at the edge of the driveway. Just turning towards the property now. Go ahead and keep pulling back. See more roots at the joints. And more mortar excess. Go ahead and get a locate right here. Located this spot approximately 3 foot 3 inches deep in the driveway, marked out with some more white paint. Some more excess mortar right there, causing a small amount of pooling like the others. Go ahead and get a locate right here, because the line is turned back towards the cleanout. Located this spot once again, approximately 3 feet deep in the driveway, now pointed towards the garage and our cleanout. Go ahead and keep coming back. Got some pooling here, possibly caused by some what appears to be another mortar blockage. We're at approximately 30 feet. You can see the transition back to cast iron. We'll go ahead and get a locate just passing the concrete to avoid interference. Alright, located this transition approximately 2 foot 9 inches deep. Marked out with some more white paint in the driveway. This cast iron appears to have quite a lot of excess rust scale. So far, unclear whether there's a lot of channeling yet. Does not appear to be so. At approximately 12 feet we have a pair of Ys, most likely for the kitchen lines coming from each unit. You can see them coming down in the garage, pointed towards where the line goes. It's quite a bit more deterioration towards the end of this line, going towards the cleanout. Does appear to have quite a bit of channeling and excess rust scale, but the channeling is becoming more obvious. This concludes the video sewer line inspection for 2332 and 2334 Southeast 72nd Avenue in Portland. The serviceability of the sewer line does appear to be compromised due to root intrusions, several excess mortar obstructions of the concrete section of the line, and deterioration of the cast iron portion of the line. And we recommend a line replacement.